to weld, complete beginner to automotive welding step-by-step guide. Welding is one of the most powerful skills you can learn in automotive building. It turns broken parts into fixed ones, it turns flat steel into chassis, and it turns ideas into reality. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to weld using every major welding type: MIG, TIG, stick, and fluff score, and show you exactly how to apply those skills to working on a car. We'll cover what welder to buy, budget and premium, how to weld thin sheet metal without blowing through, how to weld frame rails safely, how to weld brackets and suspension mounts, and what mistakes can destroy your project, or worse. This is a hands-only, no-face masterclass focused entirely on the weld. Part 1. Understanding welding basics. Welding is the process of fusing metal together using heat. There are 4 primary types we'll focus on: MIG, metal inert gas; TIG, tungsten inert gas; stick, welding SMA, flux score. Each has strengths and weaknesses, especially in automotive work. MIG welding BIST 4, sheet metal, frame repairs, brackets, exhaust work, beginners. MIG welding is the most common type used in automotive builds. It uses a wire spool, shielding gas, a trigger-fed torch. It's forgiving and fast. TIG welding BIST 4, thin sheet metal, stainless exhaust, aluminum parts, show quality welds. TIG welding gives you maximum control and beautiful beads, but requires more skill. Stick welding BIST 4, thick steel, outdoor work, heavy fabrication, trailer hitches and structural repairs. Stick welding is powerful but not ideal for thin car panels. Flux score BIST 4, budget builds, outdoor windy environments, thick metal. It's similar to MIG but doesn't require shielding gas. Part 2. What to buy, budget versus premium. Budget setup: beginner-friendly MIG welder, 110 volts capable, 140 amp class machine, can weld sheet metal and light frame. What else you need? Welding helmet, auto darkening, gloves, jacket, angle grinder, C-clamps, welding magnets, wire brush, welding card, shielding gas, 75/25 argon, CO2. For MIG, a 140 amp MIG welder can handle most automotive work up to about 3/16 steel. Premium setup: advanced builder, 220V MIG welder, 180 to 210 amp TIG welder with foot pedal, multi-process machine MIG TIG stick combo, gas bottle with regulator. Plasma cutter optional but helpful. Premium machines allow better penetration and more consistent arc control. Part 3. How to weld on a car. Safety first. Before welding on a car, disconnect battery, remove fuel lines near work area, shield glass and interior, remove carpet if welding floor pans, use fire blankets. Keep fire extinguisher nearby. Cars catch fire faster than beginners realize. Welding sheet metal body panels, floor pans. Use MIG or TIG. Settings: lower voltage, short burst stitch welding, move slowly, allow cooling. Do not run long beads on thin sheet metal. You will warp the panel. Technique: tack weld every few inches. Connect tacks gradually, grind smooth. Welding frame rails. Use 220 volts MIG or stick. Setting: higher amperage, full penetration, clean metal only. Frame welding requires structural strength. If you don't see penetration on the backside, it's not strong enough. Important: avoid welding over rust, grind to bare metal, reinforce high-stress areas. Welding suspension mounts and brackets. Use MIG or TIG. These areas carry load. Precision matters. Steps: clamp securely, double-check alignment, tack weld first, measure, final weld. Never fully weld until geometry is confirmed. Welding exhaust systems. Use TIG preferred, MIG acceptable. Exhaust requires clean welds and leak prevention. Stainless. Use TIG, vat purge for best results. Mild steel. MIG works fine. Welding roll cages. Use 220 volts MIG or TIG. Roll cages require full penetration and certified weld quality. If building for track use, follow sanctioning body guidelines. Consider professional welding. Part 4: hands-on technique training. Practice on scrap steel. Learn butt joints, lap joints, T-joints, vertical welds, overhead welds. Common beginner mistakes: welding to cold, welding to hot, moving too fast, poor ground connection, dirty metal. Your grinder is your friend, but your weld should not depend on it. Part 5: testing your welds. Hammer test, then test visual inspection. Look for undercut, porosity. Lack of fusi on a pretty weld isn't always a strong weld. Part 6: welding on newer cars. Modern vehicles use high-strength steel, aluminum, unibody construction. Important differences: heat sensitivity, airbag sensors nearby, computer modules. For modern cars, use MIG with controlled heat. Avoid structural unibody rails unless trained. Consider panel bonding adhesives for some repairs. Aluminum welding requires TIG or spool gun, different technique entirely. Welding isn't just about joining metal. It's about control, patience, and building something that lasts. Start on scrap, build skill before you build cars, and never rush structural welds. If this masterclass helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you're building next. I'll see you in the next fabrication guide. And visit the videos used on the top left of the video used.
That's how we broke the mold. Friday night, same gravel, same crew at the dairy freeze. Tail lights drawing hay.